Hello kids, welcome back. Up to now, we have completed subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. And we have also done word problem based on subtraction. Now today we will solve some worksheet based on subtraction. So these worksheets are based on simple mental maths question. These sheets will increase your calculation. These sheets will increase your calculation speed. Okay now? So let us do some worksheets that is based on subtraction. So some question of these worksheets will be done by you and some question I will do. Okay? Great. So starting with first question, our first question is take out 13 from 35. Now pay attention toward the words that has been used here. Take out. Take out 13 from 35. Take out means to subtract. Take out means what? To subtract. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract 13 from 35. Okay. Now let us subtract 13 from 35. 35 minus 13. Wow, this question is very easy. This question is based on subtraction without regrouping. Okay, so just do simple calculation and tell me the answer. What is the answer of the first question? 35 minus 13. Do it. How much you get? Let us do. So we will start from ones place. So we are having 5 at ones place. Now 5 minus 3 we will get. 5 minus 3 we will get 2. And then we are having 3 at tens place. So 3 minus 1 we will get 2. So our answer will be 22. 22. Okay. So first question, answer of first question is 22. Now let us move toward question number 2. Okay. So question number 2 says dash is subtracted from 80 to get 50. So dash is subtracted from 80 to get 50. So kids, tell me how much we will subtract from 80 to get 50? How much we will subtract from 80 to get 50? That means 80 minus how much will give us 50. What we will do? Tell me. मीन्स 80 में से कितना माइनस हम करेंगे सो हमें 50 मिलेगा. थिंक अबाउट इट. सोचिए कितना माइनस करेंगे हम 80 में से एंड हमें आंसर में 50 मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो देयर इज वन मेथड टू फाइंड इट आउट. What we will do? We will subtract these two numbers. So when we will subtract 50 from 80, we will get 30. Okay? So that means if we will subtract 30 from 80, we will get 50. If we will subtract 30 from 80, we will get 50. Okay? So 80 minus 30 will give us 50. So the answer of second question will be 30. Now, moving toward next question, question number 3. difference between 100 and 90 is. Difference between 100 and 90 is. Okay. So difference word is used here. That means we have to subtract. So this is a very easy question. Tell me orally how much is difference between 100 and 90? How much you will add in 90 to get 100? 90 में कितना प्लस करेंगे सो हमें 100 मिल जाएंगे? Think about it, kids. How much you will add in 90 to get 100? 90 plus 10 will give us 100. So that means 10 of 10 difference is there between 100 and 90. So question number 3, our answer will be 10. Okay, now question number 4. By how much is 60 larger than 45? By how much is 60 larger than 45? Okay. So it has been asked here कि 60 45 से कितना बड़ा है? Okay. How much is 60 larger than 45? What we will do? I have yesterday while discussing word problems, I have explained it to you that how much, difference, less than, greater, smaller, these are some words which denote that we have to subtract in a particular question. So what we will do? We will subtract. Okay. So 60 minus 45. Okay. 60 minus 45. We will start with ones place. Then we will move toward tens place. So starting with ones place, we are having 0 there at ones place. Okay. We are having a 0 there at ones place. So we cannot subtract 5 from 0, can we? 0 is smaller than 5. So we cannot subtract. Okay. Now this 0 will go to tens place and ask for borrowing. Okay. Now this 6 tens will give 110 borrowing. 110 borrowing. So 110 equal to 10 ones. So this 0 will become 10 now. And this 6 will become 5. Now 10 minus 5, how much we will get if we subtract 5 from 10? How much we will get if we subtract 5 from 10? We will get a 5. Okay. Now we are having 5 at tens place. Earlier we were having 6, but as that 6 has given carry 1 to borrowing 1 to ones place, so it remains 5. Now 5 minus 4 will give us 1. So we have got 15 as our answer. Okay. Wow, good. Okay, now let us do question number 5. Let us read what question number 5 is. Question number 5. What should be added to 70 so that the sum is 100? Very easy question. Okay. What should be added to 70 so that the sum is 100? Okay. What should be added? 70 में कितना प्लस करेंगे तो हमें 100 मिलेगा. Okay. That means 70 में कितना प्लस करेंगे तो हमें 100 मिलेगा, है ना? Okay, now so beta think about a number that we will add in 70 and we will get 100. Okay, so added word is used here. How मतलब 70 में हम कितना ऐड करेंगे? So to find out, we will subtract 70 from 100. You can do this question by oral counting also. We will do it. Let us do first by this method. Now 100 minus 70. Okay. Now at ones place we are having 0. We are having 0 at both the places. So 0 minus 0 will give us 0. Now at tens place we are having 0. And we cannot subtract 0 from 7 from 0. We cannot do this because 7 is greater than 0. So this 0 will go to this place at 100 place and will ask for a borrow. Now this 0 will become 10. Okay. Now this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 7, how much we will get? At tens place we are having 10 and we have to minus 7 from that. So 10 minus 7, how much we will get? 10 minus 7, we will get 3. And this 1 will become 0. So 30. If we will add 30 in 70, we will get 100. So 30 plus 70 is equal to 100. Also 70. Count after 70 to get 30. 80, 90, 100. 80, 90, 100 means 30. So that means you have to add 30 in 70 to get a 100. Okay. So our answer for question number 5 is 30. Now question number 6. Find the difference between 666 and 550. Which word is being used here? Difference. What you will do? What you will do here? You will just subtract. Okay. Difference word is being used here. That means what we have to do? We just have to subtract the number. So let us subtract 660 minus 550. 660 minus 550. Do this question yourself, beta. This is a very easy question. Do this yourself. This question is very easy and you have to do it yourself. Come on, do this. Completed? Do it, do it. Okay, now let us do. So, we will start from ones place. At ones place, we are having 0. So, 0 minus 0 will give us 0. At tens place, we are having 6. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 will give us 1. And again at 100 place, we are having 6 minus 5. And 6 minus 5 will give us 1. So, our answer is 110. Our answer is 110. Okay, wait. I think I have just misread the question. This is 666. Okay. Now, 666 minus 550. Now do this. Now 6 minus 0 will give us 6. 6 minus 5 will give us 1. And 6 minus 5 again will give us 1. So our answer will be 116. 116 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let us move toward the next question. Now question number 7 says, Question number 7 says 108 minus question mark give us 100. 108 minus what will give us 100. So we have done question like this in our previous questions. Okay. Now think about a number. 108 is there. 108 is there. How much you will minus from 108 to get 100? 108 minus what will give us 100? Think about a number. Okay. So if we subtract 108 minus 8 will give us 100. Okay. So answer is 8. Answer for question number 7 is 8. Okay. Now let us do question number 8. Question number 8. 6 plus 3 minus 27 plus 3. Let us do this question. 66 plus 3 minus 27 plus 3. 66 plus 3 minus 27 plus 3. Okay. So here we can see two brackets are given, है ना? So सबसे पहले हम bracket solve करेंगे. First of all, we will solve the bracket. Okay. And we will try to solve the bracket by oral counting only. Okay. We need to speed up now. We need to increase our calculation speed now. That's why. Okay. So 66 plus 3. First we will solve this bracket. Now 66 plus 3 will give us 67, 68, 69. 66 plus 3, 67, 68, 69. We have got 69. Now 69 minus 27 plus 3. How much we will get? Count after 27. 28, 29, 30. 27 plus 3 will give us. Add 3 in 27. Take out 3 finger and count after 27. 28, 29, 30. Okay. Okay now. So now here we are having 69 minus 30. Let us do 69 minus 30. Now 9 minus 0 will become 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0 will give us 9. Okay. Now 6 minus 3 will give us 6 minus 3 will give us 3. So our answer is 39. Okay. Our answer for this question is 39. Okay. Now question number 9. Okay, kids, question number 9 is very much similar to question number 8. Question number 9 you guys will do yourself. Question number 9, solve this question and tell me the answer, beta. Question number 9, solve this question. 8 plus 8 plus 8 minus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Tell me kids, how much you have got? 8 plus 8 plus 8 minus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 will give us 24. And 7 plus 7 plus 7 will give us 7 3s are 21. Now 4 minus 1 will 3 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. 3. Okay. So you have got the same answer, no? For question number 9, 3. Okay. Okay, now so question number 10 is a word problem question. Let us do it. Read this question. Read question number 10. Read question number 10. So question number 10 says, a fruit seller had 56 bananas. A fruit seller had 56 bananas. He sold out 26 during the day. How many bananas were left now? So we will find the keyword. So keyword is left. Left word is used here. Left word is used here. Okay. So that means we have to subtract. So let us read the question once again. A fruit seller had 56 banana. He sold out 26 during the day. So number of banana fruit seller had equal to 56 and number of banana he sold equal to 26. Number of banana left equal to, we will subtract 26 from 56. Okay. So 56 minus 26. 56 minus 26. Now we will start from ones place. 6 minus 6 will give us 0. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. 30. Okay. So 30 banana were left with him. Okay. So as this is a word problem, you need to write the statement also. Okay. Now let us read question number 11. First you will read question number 11, then I will do for. Read question number 11. Read it. Okay. So question number 11 says, Binny has 130 marbles. Binny has 130 marbles. I have 124 marbles. Who has more marbles and by how much? Binny has 130 marbles. I have 124 marbles. Who has more marbles and by how much? Okay. So what will be our statement for this question? Number of marbles Binny has equal to number of marbles I have equal to. Okay. And then it has been asked who has more. How we will find that who has more marbles? We will do that by comparing the number. Okay. 130 and 124. 130 and 124. Now kids, 130 is greater or 124 is greater? Which number is greater? Which number is greater, 130 or 124? 130 is greater. Okay, and next part is it has been asked that by how much. So now we have to subtract 130 minus 124. Let us do 130 minus 124. We will start from ones place. We are having 0 there at ones place. So this we cannot subtract 4 from 0. 0 में से 4 हम माइनस नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि 4 is smaller than 4 is greater than 0. So this 0, अब ये 0 क्या करेगा? अब ये 3 के पास जाएगा बोरो करने. 3 इसे बोरो देगा. 3 इसे 110 बोरो करेगा. 3 की प्लेस क्या है? 10 से. सो 3 क्या करेगा? 1 बोरो करेगा इसे. एंड हमें पता है कि 1 टेंस इक्वल टू 10 वंस. ओके, नाउ तो ये 0 हो जाएगा 10. क्योंकि 3 ने इसे 1 दे दिया है तो अब ये 3 क्या हो जाएगा? ये 3 2 हो जाएगा. नाउ so we are having 10 at ones place. Now subtract 4 from 10. 10 minus 4 will give us 6. Okay. Now at tens place we are having 2. Now 2 minus 2 will be 0. And at hundreds place we are having 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So our answer will be 6. So, who has more marble and by how much? So, Binny has more marble. Binny has 6 more marble. है ना? Binny has 6 more marbles. Okay. Now question number 12. 400 minus 200. Very easy question. Do it yourself. 400 minus 200. Do this question yourself. Now moving toward question number 13. Question number 13 is 854 plus 1 minus 199 plus 1. So this question is also bracket based question. This question you will do by solving the bracket first. What you will do? Let us do this question. Okay. 854 plus 1 minus 199 plus 1. 854 plus 1 bracket minus what is our next number? 199 plus 1. 199 plus 1. Okay. So we will do by oral counting. Now 854 plus 1. 54 plus 1 will give us 855. 855 plus minus 199 plus 1. What will come after 199? What is the successor of 199? 200. Now 855 minus 200. 855 minus 200. What we will get? Solve this question. Okay. So 5 minus 0 will be 5. 5 minus 0 will be 5. And 8 minus 2 will give us 8 minus 2 will give us 6. 655. 655. So our answer for question number 13 is 655. Okay, now question number 14. The sum of two number is 200. If one of the number is 105, find the other. So the sum of two number is given. That means if we add two number, we will get 200. And one of the number is 105 and we have to find the other. So what we will do, we will subtract smaller number from the greater number. That means we will subtract 105 from 200. 200 minus 100. Okay, 105. Okay, now let us do solve this question. Now we will start from ones place. We are having 0 there at ones place. So 0 minus 5, that means 10 minus, this is 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So this 0 will go here to take borrow. Again this is 0. Now this 0 will go here to take borrow. This 2 will give 1 to tens place and this tens place will become, which is 0, it will become 10 and it will give 1 to ones place. So this will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 we will get 5, and as this tens place was having 10 and it has given 1 to ones place, this tens place has become 9. So 9 minus 0 will be 9 and this 2 will become 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. 95. So one other number is 95. Now question number 15. By how much is 65 larger than 40? So we have done similar question here also, hai na? So this question you will do yourself. Okay? Till then, take care.